College pun fibro ni page mentai ka result ka bapmi apo MPSC Clear Public Service Commission ka badai jong ka post Forest Ranger under the office of Principal Chief Conservator of Forest and Head of Forest Force April 2018 conducted by the Commission on 21st and 22nd May 25 is hereby declared. He conduct interview at Huay of Army at flight direct Lami result. The name of the successful candidate recommended by the Commission in order of merit are as follow. Name Shri Mankara Anthony Marwain on reserve. Iba Shongdor Stephania Sena on reserve. Leaford Cliff Linkoy, Kazajantia. Mayona Kemarak Garo. Braining Lingdo Rangan, Kazajantia. Marpias A. Sangma Garo. Trillingbird D. Sangma Garo. Brandon Lingdo Kazajantia and Conform Motsun Odar Steel Tribe Steel Cast. Te kane kare bapan mi minta kasih ar fly tarik. Tangkin hi kijing pedip. Kulish bon.